A very good morning to all the students of class 5th. Dear students, in our last video, we studied about the chapter money which was based on Indian currency. Till now, we have learned about the conversion of paisa into rupees and rupees into paisa. Today, we will solve the question number 3 of exercise 5.1 from chapter money. Dear students, do you remember that the class teacher of Ravinder, Tanpreet, Harpreet and Manpreet made Harpreet as a treasurer of money and made all the students to play a game in which they have to change rupees into paisa. Today again the teacher made students to play a game showing them coins and notes. This time Ravinder was made treasurer by the teacher. All the students have to come to Ravinder turn by turn and will take note from Ravinder's in return of their coins. Dear students, first of all, Harpreet came to Ravinder with 2 coins of 50-50 paisa, which is equal to 100 paisa. In return of these coins, she want to take a note from Ravinder. Ravinder gave her a note of 1 rupee in place of 2 coins of 50-50 paisa from her. This means 2 coins of 50 paisa is equal to a note of 1 rupee. Students, now Tanpreet came to Ravinder with 4 coins of 50 paisa which is equal to 200 paisa. Ravinder gave him a note of 2 rupees in exchange for 4 coins of 50 paisa. In this way, we came to know that 4 coins of 50 paisas is equal to 2 rupees. This time, Manpreet came to Ravinder with 5 coins of 1 rupee. Dear students, in exchange of these coins, she wants a note of 5 rupee. Ravinder in exchange of 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee, 5 rupee will give her a note of 5 rupee. In this way, students, we learnt that 5 coins of 1 rupee is equal to a note of 5 rupees. Once again, Harpreet came to Ravinder. This time she was having 4 coins of 5 rupees. In exchange of these coins, she wants a note. Therefore, she gives Ravinder 5 rupee, 10 rupee, 15 rupee, 20 rupee. Ravinder in exchange of these coins will give Manpreet a note of 20 rupee. Students, from this we learned that 4 coins of 5 rupees are equal to a note of 20 rupees. Now Manpreet again came to Ravinder with 5 coins of 10 rupees. She gave 10 rupee, 20 rupee, 30 rupee, 40 rupee, 50 rupees to Ravinder. In exchange of these coins, Ravinder gave Manpreet a note of 50 rupees. From this we came to know that 5 coins of 10 rupees are equal to a note of 50 rupees. Dear students, now here we have 2 notes of 50 rupees which are equal to 1 note of 100 rupee. Therefore, in exchange of 2 notes of 50 rupees, we can take a note of 100 rupee. Now here we have 5 notes of 20 rupees which are equal to the value of a 100 rupee note. Therefore, 5 notes of 20 rupees is equal to a note of 100 rupee. Now let's count these 10 notes of 10 rupees. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Student, in this way 10 notes of 10 rupees are equal to a note of 100 rupee. On the basis of these practices, let's now start the fill-ups of exercise 5.1 question number 3. Part A. There are dash 50 paisa coins in 1 rupee. Students, you all know that 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Therefore, there are 2 coins of 50 paisa in 1 rupee. Part B. There are dash coins of 2 rupees in 10 rupee. Student, let's count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So, there are 5 coins of 2 rupees in 10 rupee. Part C. There are dash 50 paisa coins in 1.50 rupees. Students, rupees 1.5 paisa is equal to 3 coins of 50 paisa. So there are 3 coins of 50 paisa in rupee 1.50. Part D. There is a need of dash rupees 10 notes to make rupee 100. So students, 10 notes of 10 rupees is equal to the value of rupees 100. Dear students, as you all are preparing for your past examination, so your question for today is, how many coins of 5 rupees is equal to the value of 20 rupees? A 3, B 4, C 5, D 2. Students, let's count 5, 10, 15, 20. So by this, the value of rupee 20 is equal to 4 coins of 5 rupees. Therefore, our correct option is B 4. Here is your homework for today. Dear students, for your homework you have to do all the parts of question 3rd exercise 5.1. Thank you students. Stay safe.